Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nextbase 222x is probably one of the most popular dash cams on the market, offering a compelling blend of high-quality video recording, user-friendly features, and a robust build, making it a top contender for drivers seeking reliable and feature-rich dash cam protection. This in-depth review will explore its performance, ease of use, and key features to help you decide if it's the right dash cam for your vehicle. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4K Ultra HD recording. It captures every detail, day or night, ensuring you have the best possible evidence in any situation. Instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone using the ROVE app. Download videos at high speeds and share them easily with friends and family. It accurately records your location and speed. View your driving route on Google Maps via the app or our GPS player. It boasts a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, and parking mode, ensuring reliable operation and comprehensive coverage. It also includes motion detection and emergency video locking. It features revolutionary super night vision technology for clear footage even in low light. The 150 degrees wide-angle lens captures a comprehensive view of the road. Enjoy free firmware updates via the ROVE app. We offer fast and reliable customer support to answer your questions and resolve any issues. What we like. It boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording and built-in Wi-Fi 6 for easy access to your footage. If you value high-quality video and convenient wireless sharing, this is the dash cam for you. It's perfect for those who want to capture every detail of their drives and share them easily with others. What people say. Great build quality of the dashcam itself. Great image quality at 1440p at 30 fps. Built-in battery allows for a parking function that records after sensing G-forces, i.e., an impact. 2 mounting options provided and easy to install. Everything you need and more in the box, aside from an SD card. Box is also well packed and protective. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. It captures incredibly detailed images, ensuring you get street signs and license plates with crystal clarity. The wide-angle lens gives you an extended view, minimizing blind spots. With built-in GPS, it precisely records your location, route, and speed. Connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for easy control, video viewing, and sharing. Even in low-light conditions, it delivers clear images thanks to its high-spec StarVis sensor, large aperture, and advanced imaging technologies. It constantly monitors your vehicle's surroundings. If a collision is detected, it automatically records and saves the footage. A dedicated parking mode kit is required for this feature. It comes with an 18-month warranty. Our 24/7 tech support is always available to assist you with any questions or issues. It comes with a 64 GB card for ample storage, and you can expand it up to 256 GB to keep more recordings. The 3.18-inch screen makes it easy to view recordings directly on the device. You can also easily manage settings and view live footage. What we like. This dash cam offers superb dual lens recording in 4K and 1080p, along with built-in GPS for precise location tracking. If you need comprehensive coverage and clear night vision, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize safety and detailed recordings, day or night. Number 3. VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. It simultaneously records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle in stunning 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. This provides complete coverage and protects you from any liability issues. When in dual-channel mode, it captures crisp 4K footage from the front and clear 1080p from the rear. The rear camera's 360 degrees adjustability ensures optimal placement in any vehicle. For ride-shares or other situations, it offers high-resolution 1440p recording of both the front and interior. The adjustable interior camera provides flexible viewing angles. With its advanced StarVis CMOS sensor and IR LED lights, it captures clear video even in complete darkness. This is perfect for rideshare drivers or nighttime driving. It offers continuous recording in parking mode, using low bitrate to maximize storage. Motion or collision detection will trigger recording automatically. Requires hardwire kit or external battery. It's powered by a supercapacitor, making it resistant to extreme temperatures and extending its lifespan. It also includes a generous 18-month warranty. A G-sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the footage. Loop recording overwrites older files when the memory card is full. It's easy to install and use, with a 20-foot rear camera cable suitable for most vehicles. Firmware updates ensure continuous improvement and new features. What we like. With its triple-channel recording, it captures the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously. If you need complete coverage and peace of mind, this is the dash cam for you. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting comprehensive protection. What people say. The clarity is excellent, allowing for detailed capture of license plates and other crucial details. Even the cabin-facing night vision camera performs remarkably well, providing clear recordings even in low-light to pitch-black conditions. The video quality is very good. The videos are MP4 format, so that is handy and easy, and events get stored in a separate folder to locate easily. All cameras have good quality, the front is the best of course. The mic quality is outstanding and the LCD screen is fairly large for something like this. Image quality in default 4K front 1080 interior and rear is great, with the excellent Sony CCD. Number 2. Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. It streams live footage directly to your phone, so video proof is always at your fingertips. The app runs in the background, so you can use other apps without interruption. This smart dash cam detects impacts while parked, starts recording instantly, and alerts you when your phone reconnects. It gives you peace of mind, even when you're away from your car. It automatically detects sudden breaks and collisions, saving clips to the app and backing them up securely in the cloud. Access them easily when you need them. Your subscription includes unlimited cloud storage, so you can automatically back up your drive seamlessly. No moment will be lost. It installs in minutes and fits discreetly in any vehicle. It pairs effortlessly with iPhone 7 Plus and most Android devices for a smooth setup. Check FAQs for full compatibility. Your purchase includes a 1-year subscription to Nexar Classic, giving you unlimited cloud storage, AI-powered incident detection, and 24/7 parking mode. After the first year, continue for just $1.99 a month. What we like. It offers unlimited cloud storage and AI-powered incident detection for automatic video saving. If you want worry-free cloud backup and advanced safety features, this is a great option. It's perfect for drivers who prioritize convenience and automatic protection. What people say. Setting it up was very easy. Suction cups usually don't hold, but this one is sturdy and tight. They provide ample cord length to snake it around the windshield and seat and provided some clips to keep the cord in place. After downloading the app and turning the car in, the device paired itself practically instantly. Videos are clear, day or night. If you want audio in your drive videos, you must manually enable it in settings. The video quality is amazing, day or night, and he's able to record long periods of video without needing to clear out the camera memory. The camera will also overwrite old footage if it runs out of storage, without needing to be manually cleared. Number 1. VIOFO A129 Plus Duo Dual Dash Cam. This dual dash cam provides front and rear 2K and 1080p recording, capturing every detail of your journey. It's the perfect solution for added safety and peace of mind. With Starvis sensors and HDR technology, it delivers incredibly clear footage, even in low-light conditions. See license plates and road signs clearly, day or night. Connect to the VIOFO app via Wi-Fi to easily view, download, and manage your recordings. GPS tracking provides accurate location and speed data, embedded directly into your videos. 3 parking modes offer various recording options to suit your needs. Automatic event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording ensure you're covered, even when parked. It boasts a G-sensor, motion detection, loop recording, and more. It also supports a microSD card up to 256 GB and optional accessories like a Bluetooth remote. The A129 Plus Duo offers comprehensive features and reliable performance. It's the ideal choice for drivers seeking superior video quality and advanced functionality. Enhance your experience with our optional hardwire kit for parking modes and Bluetooth remote for convenient video locking. High-endurance microSD cards are also available for optimal performance. What we like. This dash cam records at an impressive 2K 60 frames per second and features enhanced night vision for crystal clear footage. If you need smooth, high-resolution video in any lighting conditions, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who value sharp, detailed recordings, especially at night. What people say. The video quality is excellent, providing clear footage both day and night. The installation was straightforward, and it's been incredibly reliable through all seasons and conditions. Currently, everything works very well, the front and rear pictures are of good quality, the video recording is not disconnected, I have not seen the device overheating or anything. Both cameras excelled in quality. I have the CPL for the front cam only, and there's very little difference between it and the rear cam. No glitching, smooth transition from one file to the next in great vivid colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.